Hi, it's Luke with New Outlook Landscaping. I'm making a quick video today for our existing clients on our our newsletter email list. And I just want to let you know something exciting is happening in our company. We are now going to start installing in-ground swimming pools. So, for years we've been doing pavers and planting and stone and yard repair around existing pools that clients have just had installed. And now we're moving on to the next step of installing the pool ourselves and just taking care of the whole process from beginning to end. So, over the past couple weeks, what we've done is I've hooked up with a pool manufacturer called Imagine Pools and got a dealership status with them. And then I got in touch with an existing pool installer who was nice enough to let me come down and work in the field with them on 2 pool projects from beginning to end so that I can see the whole process and how everything works. So I'm 100% confident that, once we get our first pool job, that we'll be able to install it perfectly the first time. So the reason I really wanted to make this video for you guys and let you be the first to know is that the first pool that we sell and install, hopefully for one of our existing clients, we're going to do it at cost. So we're not going to mark it up for profit. So you can get a really good deal on a pool. If you've been thinking about getting one in and you've called a couple places and they're booked out till next year, or if you have any family or friends that are interested in getting a pool installed, please reach out to us and get in touch, and I'll come out and give you a free consultation and get you a quote. Thanks. I'll talk to you soon.